Stop scrolling if you want more subscribers because I'm about to show you a strategy that YouTube itself wants you to use, but some creators just ignore it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm sharing YouTube tips, tech, and content creation. And today, I'm going to reveal a powerful strategy using feature na sobrang underrated but super effective. I used it myself because let's be real, YouTube is a platform na gusto nila creators are using their latest features because it keeps the platform fresh, engaging, and competitive. So kapag ginagamit mo yung mga new tools nila, mas mataas ang chance na i-push nila ang contents mo. So ano nga ba ang strategy na to? Step 1. Get your smartphone and open YouTube. Then, hanap ka ng creator na the same niche mo. Very important tip ito. Dapat the same kayo ng content. And as much as possible, hanap ka ng content na viral or trending. For example, if your content is about giving tips about how to teach abroad, find someone na gumagawa rin ng the same content. Step 2. Use the Shorts collab feature. This is the strategy that I'm going to teach you today. Basically, you can collaborate on a single short video where both of your channels are credited. So meaning, yung audience niya makikita ka at yung audience mo makikita rin siya. Parang instant exposure without ads. Alam mo ba yung reaction video? Ganyan yung gagawin natin ngayon. So if you have a phone stand, you can actually use it and put it like this so that you are a little bit far.
So ito nga pala yung channel ko about teaching abroad, and let's try this content here, shorts na may 34 million views. Ayan. So click mo lang yung remix and then click collab, and then you have to click next. So processing na siya. So ayun na. Click mo yung format and then select top. Ayun, para nasa taas yung video niya and you are below. So you are just reacting sa video niya. So reaction video yung gagawin natin. Alright? And then pag ready ka na, you hit record. So kung may phone stand ka, much better para stable yung video and you can move far. So ayun, magre-react ka lang while watching the video. And pagkatapos ng video niya, automatically processing yan para ma-save yung video. Then click next. Automatically pwede mo na siyang gawing shorts video mo na i-upload mo sa channel mo. Set mo lang muna yung thumbnail, lagyan ng title, description, tags, the usual na ginagawa mo kapag mag-a-upload ka ng video, and of course, private mo muna. Huwag mong gawing public agad.
Since collab video ito, lalabas kayo pareho. But you can still say, check out my collab partner for more tips. Don't do it one time big time. You have to do it consistently. Kahit once a week makipag-collab ka. Over time, lalaki network mo, lalaki exposure mo. And guess what? Dadami subscribers mo organically. So why is this 100% effective and legit? This is not a hack. It's a feature built by YouTube. They want you to collaborate. They want creators to grow together. You're actually working with the algorithm. So if you're serious about growing your channel, start using the Shorts collab feature today. Don't wait, kasi habang hindi mo pa ginagamit ito, someone else already is. And they're getting your potential subscribers. So I think that's it. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next one.